Hello everyone. Few more minutes to go. We are really excited for this evening.
Yes, I'm also super excited, but still we have to wait exactly till 6:30 for this super event to get started.
Exactly.
Stay tuned. And yes, still you can share the link with your friends and families and also get some drink and get some snacks and be ready to witness a wonderful event for this evening. Big day for ReDI this year, and now it is Autumn 2020 Demo Day.
Awesome. So,
Something about ourselves. Yes, so once again, I'm Deepa and I'm with ReDI for almost a year. I'm a student of data science. I love to learn and explore, and that's why I'm here at ReDI. At ReDI, learning is always fun, and I've got so many friends and many connections to share the career aspirations. How about you, Idlir?
I'm Idlir. I've been a former student of ReDI, and I'm really excited to be here tonight, and
Yes.
really happy to go on and see what we have today.
Definitely.
So, okay, so we're going to use a platform called Slido. Actually, this platform is going to be for interaction.
Yes.
So we're going to use it for, we're going to put some questions in there, and viewers can definitely go in and answer. So to join this Slido, there's a QR code, as you can see on the screen, and you can use your phone to scan that code, and you can definitely, with the hash code that you see there, with the hashtag actually that you
Yes.
see there, you can definitely join the questions and answer them.
And it's going to be super interactive, guys. Just get into Slido
Exactly.
now. Yeah.
So let's go with the first question. And as you already know, Deepa, this is our motto, actually, how you say hello in your language.
Yeah, that's
So-
a ReDI thing,
Exactly,
right? Yeah.
exactly. So we would love to see how do you say hello in your language. So please comment out and let's see how many ways are there to say.
Yes. We are already starting getting some hellos here.
Exactly.
Wow. How about you, Idlir? How do you say in your language?
Well, in my language is a little bit difficult, but it's Prussianetia.
I don't want to try that. Yes.
So what about you?
In my language, that is Tamil, and we say vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Exactly, you got it right. I love it.
That's great. So
Here, yeah, I say namaste. It's another way of telling hello in my country, and
That's,
you know, wow.
a pale also. Okay.
Salam in Hausa.
Okay. That look how many different ways you can say it.
Wow,
How
right?
nice is this?
Yes, that's
I
the
love this.
diversity, and yes,
I love this. Okay, great.
let's keep coming in.
Yes, it looks like.
And we see the big hola, yeah?
Exactly.
And ReDI, definitely. ReDI, we have our own way hello, yes.
Sure.
Servus.
Servus also. Okay, great. Great, thank you. Let's jump to the second question.
Definitely.
Okay, so the second question is, how do you feel about today's event?
Definitely, I'm feeling so curious. How about you?
Well, I'm really excited. As I said at the beginning, I'm really excited. So I would like to also to see from the viewers how they're
Yes.
feeling. Awesome.
Wow.
It's going pretty up.
Excited. Yes, I can see the excited and leading. Yes, definitely. Like as every one of us are excited.
Exactly.
Some are nervous, but please, guys, don't be nervous. It's going to be fun, super cool.
Exactly.
Curious. Yes, there is something for to be curious.
Yes.
Ready to watch?
sure.
Yes. Even we are ready to show. Excited.
Yeah.
Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. I think we should not wait, right?
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. I cannot wait. So I'm curious also. So let's jump. Let's jump to the
Definitely.
next one. But before we jump to the agenda, I would like to show you some. As you can see on the screen, we have some channels in most of our social media, in most of important social media,
Yes.
as LinkedIn or Twitter or YouTube and so on.
I
You
think
can-
almost all social medias, right?
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly, the most important one. So you can definitely follow us on these channels, but also they can also,
Tag us
Yes,
in their
exactly.
post. Yes.
as
and
you see,
follow us.
Exactly.
Yes.
Great.
And what do we have for today? We have the keynote from our key speaker. We have the project pitching from the students of Digital Women's Program and Digital Career Program. And definitely we are going to have a short break for refreshment.
Oh, nice.
And then we have an interesting announcement, but you got to wait for that.
Oh.
And then we have the partnership appreciation, we have the volunteers appreciation, and then we have the breakout session.
Oh, I love it. I love
Yes,
it. I love it.
that is where the guys, viewers can get in touch with the students and get to know more about the projects. It's going to be super interesting.
Super funny also.
Yes.
So
Let's start.
Let's start, yes. Our first keynote will be from Sophie. And as you already know, Sophie is a leading ReDI school in Munich. And she established the school 3 years ago. 3 years ago.
It's already 3 years.
Yes, 3 years old. And you can definitely see that she's all the time laughing. She's very warm, and I can't wait to see her video. So please, Sophie, your turn.
Yes.
Hello, dear ReDI community, and welcome to our Demo Day. This day is all about celebration. Celebrating our fantastic students who were brave enough to go onto this new journey of learning digital, but also our amazing teachers and other volunteers who were helping to achieve this cool projects that you are going to see right now after this introduction. We are so proud and happy that even with all the challenges that 2020 had for us, our community still overcome it, and sometimes even without seeing or hearing each other, being able to have something fantastic like this evening. Today is also very special for us at ReDI School in Munich because we celebrate our 3 years anniversary. The past 3 years we were able to teach 1,000 students with the help of over 300 volunteers, teaching and mentoring and supporting everywhere they can. So, with that, a huge thank you to all of you, wherever you are right now, for being part of our journey. Something really exciting that came out of this super year was that we have finally, after 3 years of being in 30 different locations every semester, we have now our final space for our own. And I'm welcoming you right now from here. Do you want a little tour? Please get on the journey. Hello, ReDI community, and welcome to our new space for the whole community. We are so happy that you're here. And as always, servus from my side. I'm Sophie from the ReDI team. Come, I'll give you a little tour. Do you remember when we had the chance to meet in the start of the classes and we gathered all the wishes that you guys had for this semester? Well, if you ever come back to our space, here they are, and we hope that some of them already came true. If you're new to the space, please make a wish, take a picture, and become part of our space, because this is really important. This space is for all of us. If you ever have any questions about the ReDI team, please check this wall out. You can find all the contact details about everybody who is working for the ReDI school. A real school needs lockers so that you can place all the things that you don't need to study directly here. Just put your things inside, take a key, and go study. Let's try it out. Wow, I can move this really nicely. In this classroom, you not only have the chance to have a really good distance to others, but also to easily do group works with others whenever it comes to that. So, when are you ready to start studying with us here? Let me introduce you to your new classmate, Ada Lovelace. She was the first female coder, and she's gonna join you on your learning journey. This is where the teacher will talk and tell you all the magic that is happening during classes. We will have different technology here that is going to be completely new next semester, so stay tuned. If you ever want to take a break, please feel free to come here and join us on the ReDI couch. We are happy to chat about anything with you here. Are you wondering where the ReDI team is usually based when not being around with you in the classes? Well, they are sitting in here. Have you ever heard of Grace Hopper? Well, this is her, and she is the reason that we're able to offer our classes, because she is the one who co-developed the first computer ever. So come in the Grace Hopper room to collaborate, brainstorm, and make co-creation happen. Last but not least, please meet Alan. Have you ever heard of Alan Turing? Well, he is one of the reasons why World War II ended, because he was able, with his machine that you can see here in the back, to decode the Nazis' code. Within this room, we can have video conferences and meetings to consult you or whatever you want. So please feel always welcomed to come here into our Alan Turing room.
Thank you, Sophie. That was wonderful and highly motivating. Definitely 3 years would not have been an easy ride. Definitely it would have been a roller coaster ride for the entire ReDI team. But the happiness is how many people would have been benefited by this program, right?
Exactly, exactly. So, okay, we're going to jump to the next keynote. We're going to, as you know, we care a lot here at ReDI about women. So that's why we have Digital Women Program. And that's going to be introduced from Meza. And Meza actually is originally from Iran, and she has studied philosophy.
Wow.
And as you know, she's most of the time ready for a deep talk. So yeah.
And you would also love to have a deep talk
yeah,
with
why
her.
not?
Yeah.
Great. So let's check her video. So Meza, over to you.
Welcome to Demo Day. My name is Mesa Hayali and I'm from the Women Program. Every semester is different, but what never changes at ReDI is the spirit and the love that our volunteers bring with them. I want to start thanking our teachers and mentors who helped our students step by step and inspired them, despite all the difficulties, to bring this semester to the end. Thank you very much, and we are very proud of you all. From the beginning, we knew that the regulations are not going to change. So we knew that it's not going to be possible to have all our courses and classes on site. Therefore, we decided to have a blending teaching approach, meaning that some courses were online and some were on-site in our ReDI Hub or the other location of ReDI, which is in Prater Insel. Therefore, our students had 56 hours of on-site classes and 136 hours of online classes. But the on-site classes gave the the students and the teachers this opportunity to meet each other and have an idea and make a friendship out of it. Altogether, we had 5 classes teaching 42 students from 23 different nationalities, which we find very interesting and amazing. Our students can speak very different languages, and by that they are bringing different cultures and traditions from all around the world. This gives us this idea that women program is like a small world, a world that women can support each other and empower each other. Women program believes that the children are part of our journey to success. That's why last semester we prepared and offered a childcare for almost 6 children who would accompany their mothers to come to the ReDI Hub to have their own classes. Children were playing, learning, while their moms were participating in their classes. And also, an important element of women program is to be a family. We think all of us can be part of a family who always want to be there for each other. In our program, what was special this semester is that women trusted us to be part of their families. So they started encouraging the members of their families to participate in our classes. We had a family from Afghanistan, a mom with her daughters, that each of them participated in one different class. We had 2 sisters from Ukraine and 2 sisters from Eritrea. So all this trust we appreciate, and we think that is the spirit of the women program. I thank you for seeing our demo day, and I invite you to watch some of presentations from our students from Women Program.
Добрий вечір. Ich heiße Anastasia, ich komme aus der Ukraine. Seit März bin ich eine Teilnehmerin bei ReDI-Programm im Computerkurs für Anfänger. Die erste, was habe ich in diesem Kurs gelernt, war Top 10 Tastenschreiben. Ich habe so viele Übungen geübt, was hat mir so viel Spaß gemacht. Dann haben wir mit Word arbeiten und Testschreiben gelernt. Als ich meine Präsentation vorbereitet habe, hatte ich keine Schwierigkeiten mit dem Text zu tippen. Danach haben wir auch die Bilder speichern und rein in den Text bringen gelernt. Damit hatte ich ein bisschen Schwierigkeiten, aber ansonsten war alles gut. Später haben wir mit Gmail arbeiten und E-Mails schicken gelernt. Das hat mir auch so viel geholfen. Jetzt kann ich meine E-Mail schreiben und zu meinen Bekannten schicken. Ist es auch gut. In diesem Kurs habe ich viel Neues gelernt. Mit Hilfe dieses Wissens habe ich mein Abschlussprojekt gemacht, das ich Ihnen präsentieren möchte. Also, ich möchte gern heute ein Fest präsentieren. Es heißt Ivana Kupala und wird am 7. Juni gefeiert. Dieses Fest ist nicht offiziell, deshalb müssen die Menschen am Abend nach der Arbeit feiern. Trotzdem feiern wir das immer. Es gibt eine Geschichte. Wer wird mitten in der Nacht von 6. nach 7. Juni in den Wald gehen und eine Königsfalsblume finden, wird immer glücklich sein. Ivana Kupala feiern die Menschen am Fluss oder am See. Zuerst finden die Mädchen die Kränze auf der Feldblume, die später sie auf dem Kopf tragen. Das fängt mit den Wörtern von der Bürgermeister an und dann findet sich ein Konzert statt. Die Gäste nehmen aktiv an diesem Fest teil. Sie außer dem Tanzen, Singen oder einen Picknick machen. Nach dem Konzert zündeten sie ein paar Feuer, kleine, und ein großes Lagerfeuer an. Jedes Paar an diesem Fest, das, wenn die genau Lust haben, springen über kleine Feuer. Wenn die Hände nach dem Sprung zusammenbleiben, wird sie immer zusammen sein. Und die Mädchen, die keinen Freund haben, lassen ihre Kränze auf dem Wasser schweben und dabei einen Wunsch wünschen. Wenn dann Lagerfeuer zu Ende brennt, ist auch die Fest zu Ende. Genau, danke fürs Zuhören. Ich möchte mich bei meiner Lehrerin bedanken für ihre Mühe und Geduld. Vielen Dank. Wiedersehen. Ciao.
Salam, mein Name ist Ikram, ich bin ReDI-Studentin BD1. Heute will ich euch zeigen, was haben wir in diesem Kurs gelernt. Wir haben Microsoft Office gelernt. In Microsoft Office haben wir auch Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel und PowerPoint gelernt. In unserem Projekt auch benutzen. Zum Beispiel will ich heute Ihnen mein Projekt zeigen. In dieses Projekt, der heißt München, habe ich über diese Stadt erklärt. Zuerst habe ich Microsoft Word benutzt, sodass meine Text schreiben und meine Bild mit dem Text zusammenbringen. In Microsoft Word kann man auch die Schreiben große, kleine und verschiedene Formen machen und mit dem Bild zusammenbringen. Zunächst habe ich Microsoft Excel benutzt, sodass ich verschiedene Zahlungen und Informationen mit den Tabellen und Diagrammen arbeiten. Und am Ende habe ich alle diese Informationen mit PowerPoint benutzen. Wenn man präsentieren möchte, besser PowerPoint benutzen. Ich bedanke bei ReDI-Team und unsere Lehrerinnen, dass die uns diese Möglichkeit gegeben. Vielen Dank. Tschüss.
Здравствуйте, mein Name ist Aliya, ich komme aus Kirgisistan. Ich bin Studentin des Kurses Computergrundlage 2 für Digital Woman Programm in ReDI School. Innerhalb dieses Kurses sind unterschiedliche Themen gegangen. Google Drive mit verschiedenen Komponenten des Online-Googles-Pakets. Google Docs, wo wir gelernt haben, den Lebenslauf erstellen und ein Referat zu schreiben. Mit Hilfe des Google Sheets kann ich jetzt die Tabelle für Berechnungen mit verschiedenen Formeln und Funktionen erstellen und auch dabei die Diagramme hinzufügen. Auch innerhalb dieses Kurses haben wir viel mit Google Präsentation geübt. Und ich würde gerne heute euch mein Projekt Traumberuf präsentieren mit Hilfe dieser Google Präsentation. Jetzt bin ich auf der Suche nach meinem Traumberuf. Und wie wäre, wenn ich eine Arbeit hätte, die mich glücklich und zufrieden machen würde? Um meinen Traumberuf zu definieren, benutze ich 3-Schritt-Methode. Wahrscheinlich Sie sind auch jetzt unzufrieden mit Ihrem derzeitigen Beruf und möchten Sie etwas anderes machen. Dann könnten Sie auch diese 3-Schritt-Methode benutzen. Der erste Schritt ist, Ihre genaue berufliche Ziele zu definieren. Wissen Sie, welchen spannenden Beruf Sie sich wünschen? Oder als was oder wo möchten Sie eigentlich arbeiten? Und was ist Ihre Berufung? Zuerst müssen Sie sich diese Frage stellen. Der zweite Schritt ist Ihre Stärke erkennen und Ihre Schwäche definieren. Es geht darum, was einem Spaß macht oder was man gut kann oder wie möchten Sie eigentlich arbeiten. Setzen Sie sich mit Ihren Interessen, Zielen, Schwächen und Stärken auseinander. Der dritte Schritt ist Ihre Motive definieren. Hier kann man notieren, was ihn bei diesem Beruf antreibt. Sicherheit als finanziell, Entwicklung als Abenteuer oder Fürsorge für andere Leute. Und zum Schluss, jetzt wissen Sie Ihre Stärke, Ziele, Antreiber und stellen Sie ein Bild von Ihrem Beruf im Kopf vor. Wie fühlen Sie sich an? Funkeln Ihre Augen bei diesen Gedanken? Würden Sie am liebsten losgehen? Wenn ja, dann gratuliere ich Ihnen. Sie sind auf der Spur Ihrem Traumberuf. Das war mein Projekt mit Hilfe der Google-Präsentation und ich bedanke mich bei meiner Lehrer für diese spannende Zeit. und diese Zeit unter Frauen in ReDI School hat mir sehr gut gefallen. Ich wünsche Ihnen, Ihren Traumberuf zu finden und zu definieren und vielen Dank auf Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.
Hello everyone, my name is Messi. I come from Nigeria. I grew up in France. I can speak French and English because it's my mother tongue. So I'm 42 years old, a single mother of 4 children. So I came to ReDI in autumn 2020. So I started as a basic computer student because I've never used computer before. I'm always with my handy, so I don't know how it functions. So I started by learning how to shut down the computer. When you're using the computer, you don't just press on the button, you have to press on the shutdown button. So that is, I really start from basics. I'm very happy and proud of how much I've learned in a very, very short while. I'm honored to have been given the opportunity to represent my group on ReDI Computer Basic English. First, I want to tell you how important and useful is a coconut. Why do we think that Germans are like a coconut? They are hard to penetrate, but soft inside. Germans are hard to get to know and reserved, but once you break through, they are good people with a good hearts, always ready to fight for you and help you reach your goals. I will continue by saying that German job market is also like a coconut. It is hard to penetrate through jobs interviews, but with enough computer skills and certificates, you can get a sweet job for you. Learning as much as possible will also help you to break through. Finally, I will say that ReDI is the hammer that breaks the coconut. ReDI School is beautiful. It opens our mind on computer technology. What is computer? How to use computer and how to protect it. How to get connected to the internet. How to open emails on Gmails with a protective and safe password. How to use platform like Zoom, Bluebutton, Slack, and G Suite. How to use Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slide. How to subscribe to the youth channel to create a playlist. Subscribe and unsubscribe. You see, I'm no longer scared of computer. The importance of computer is that it is international and it's very important. Everybody uses it, both young and old. Everything has the pros and cons, but that's why it's very important we make a protective use of it. It is like food you can do without. Now that we know how to cook the coconut, we will cook it everywhere we go in the future. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all the ReDI School teachers for your support, patience, and encouragement. I'm proud to have acquired this lot of knowledge in a very, very short while. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm grateful. God bless you. Au revoir, à tout à l'heure. Bisous.
Merhaba. My name is Gökçe. I'm a student at Digital Women Program Introduction to Programming. I'm here today to present you about a little bit of our program and our final projects. So in this course of 3 months, we learned a lot about programming, like mathematical operators, variables, user input, conditions, operators, lists, loops, functions, and exceptions. It was a pretty loaded program and we really enjoyed it. We learned definitely many technical skills about basics of programming and the Python language itself, but the program was far more than that. It provided us a very good experience of remote learning and online collaboration, which I think is a great skill to have, especially in these days. We also had a chance to network with people through HR summits and the mentorship program. We gained lots of soft skills like introducing ourselves, making a pitch, making a presentation, working in a team. We had acquaintance with the IT world through workshops on many different and important themes. We gained lots of experience through creating a project, a final project, and doing a pair coding with our classmates. So the relevance of the course for our future was great. We had really good final projects at the end of this course. My classmates made a web crawler, tic-tac-toe, FizzBuzz test, a business finance tracker, a recipe recommender, and the snake game. The snake game was our group project, which I was also involved. So what is the snake game? It's a lion or a snake eating a food and getting longer and faster. It's a very classic game. And actually it was quite challenging, and we used most of the things we learned in our course, like conditions, operators, lists, loops, functions, and we also used the turtle module itself. So how does the game function? The game starts, we create the snake, the food, and the screen, of course. We get user input for movement, up, down, left, right. And then the game checks for collisions. If the snake collides with the food, it adds a body part, the snake gets faster, we update the score and create another random food. If the snake collides with the border or wall or itself, its own body, then the game ends. We play a game over music, we reset the game, and the game starts again. So you can see how it's work in this really short video. It eats, gets bigger, and then dies. So last but not least, I would really like to thank our amazing teachers, to the ReDI team and to our mentors. We really learned a lot, and it was so fun working with you. So thank you very much.
Wow, that's wonderful projects from our students, right?
is.
A big round of applause to all our students. Definitely, it's not an easy thing to learn something new in 3 months and able to implement it. It's
Exactly.
really wonderful.
Exactly.
And all the best to the Wonder Womens.
Congratulations. So before we jump to the break, we have a question from Matthew Onoya. Actually, the question is, hello, will there be a section here also, or it's going to be on the YouTube channel? Okay, so we're going to use Slido more for questions, so you can do direct questions to us and we can definitely answer to them. YouTube is going to be more on comments, because if you do the question on YouTube, somehow it's going to there's going to be a lot of questions, and might be that we forget your questions or we don't see it actually. So
Yes.
better to comment or to ask your question on Slido. And to do that, as you see on the screen, you have the QR code. So just scan it, use the hashtag there, demo day ready, and yes, you can definitely do your questions.
And definitely do not forget, if you have any questions about the project, wait for the breakout session. And you will have the students along with you, and you can have any questions to them, and they will be waiting for you in the breakout room.
Great. So now we have a break.
Yes.
This means that we're gonna have a drink. Please feel free to take a drink, but also.
And definitely, we are not going to leave you alone. We have our former student and ReDI team member from Iran, Reza, and he's going to play a wonderful music, Persian music for all of us. And I have a question for you. You have to guess the instrument what he is playing. And
Yes,
now, if
exactly.
you find it out, put it in the comment section, and we will be right back, and stay tuned.
Hi, dear friends. Hi, I'm Reza. I'm from Iran, and now I'm in Iran. Happy Demo Day and Happy Christmas in advance. Today I want to play something for you with my instrument, and because of it, I'm here in my parents' house, and now I want to play. I maybe you know me, maybe not, but anyway, we are ReDI friends, and I see my other ReDI friends, Sophie, Birgit, Ingrid, and Khaled. Hi, Khaled. How are you? Yeah, good. Oh, okay. I make it short. Thank God, I'm 4,000 kilometers away from him. Okay. Today I want to play some very simple Iranian music for you, and I want to play it with my instrument sitar. I play sitar because it's a very simple instrument, and one can play very good Iranian musics, and it's very simple. It's you can play it in your apartment. Even in the night, and you can be sure that no neighbors hears you. And okay, now I play it for you. Thank you and bye.
Well, wait. We continue?
Welcome back. Wow, that was a wonderful music, right? Did you find the instrument?
Well, let's see it. If they have actually found
Yeah,
it.
I think
we read actually that the instrument is ukulele. Actually.
Yeah, it was bliss to hear. Thanks, Reza. And now we have that important announcement. Yes.
I'm excited.
You know, last week we had a campaign in social media and mainly in Instagram where our students have tagged their friends, and now we have 3 lucky winners.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
And do you know what are they going to get? Here. And they are going to get a free career counseling from one of our HR experts.
Wow, wonderful.
Yes.
This is a great opportunity for their career, for sure.
Definitely. And we are very thankful to our experts who are participating in the campaign and helping our students here. And now let's see the winners. The 3rd place goes to Prashi. The 2nd is Palak. And the 1st is Marina.
Congratulations.
A big round of applause.
Congratulations.
Yes. And guys, just wait for the message from ReDI and they will be soon contacting you through Instagram.
Exactly. Okay, so let's jump to the next section. We're going to talk about digital career program. This will be handled from Khaled.
Yes.
Now Khaled, everybody knows it. Khaled is the most patient person here at ReDI. He's wonderful, and he's the heart and soul of students at digital career program. So,
Mr. Coolhead.
Yes. So, Khaled, over to you.
Marhaba. Here is Khalid. I am the Students Coordinator for the Digital Career Program here in ReDI Munich. Today, we are celebrating the end of our 6th semester. We are really super happy and grateful for what ReDI has become. The main goal of our Digital Career Program is to support the participants to land their first job in the IT industry. And we are structuring our courses and our activities regarding this goal. With the great support of awesome people who believe in us, we taught more than 650 students, with the graduation rate of more than 80%. During the semester, our students build their own portfolios, submitting a great number of homeworks, and contribute on awesome projects to graduate and become ReDI alumni. They also attend the career support workshops we provide, which are designed to help them in their professional journey. In this 3-month semester, we had students from 39 different nationalities, with age average of 32 years old. And for the first time, our female students were more than our male students. We start the semester in a blended learning format, where half of the courses run on-site and the other half were online. During October, we moved fully to online learning approach because of the current corona situation. We hope we will be soon able to welcome our students back at our space. We are getting ready for the next semester. So if you want to join our program, sign up now and you will be invited to our students' info session in January, where you will be learning everything about our courses and how you can join the program. That was everything from my side. I will be leaving you now to watch some of our students presenting their projects. Thank you so much, stay healthy, and be ready.
Hello, welcome to ReDI School of Digital Integration. My name is Marwa, I come from Egypt. I am honored to be the representative of Introduction to Computer Science class at the Demo Day 2020. I would like to take this opportunity to tell you about myself, my project, my experience with ReDI. Learning new things gives you the confidence in your own capabilities and to take on challenges. In this semester, I had the chance to participate in Introduction to Computer Science class, in which I have learned different programs. We have focused on learning Python as a programming language. We have also learned how to create style web pages using HTML and CSS. That is how I developed my own website about falafel. To define it with headers, paragraphs, images, and icons, I have used HTML. To style it with colors, fonts, and images, I have used CSS. To make it more interactive to the user, I have used JavaScript functions. And that's how I combine between what I have learned from ReDI with managing my own business. To conclude, if you want to start to build up your own business and learn new skills, ReDI will absolutely give you all the support and the help that you really need. Finally, I want to thank the amazing ReDI team, our supportive teachers, and thank you too for listening.
My name is Adidu Kwandikule Sharif. I'm from Nigeria. I'm studying industrial engineering at the Backend Institute of Technology, but back in my country, I studied electrical electronics engineering. I'm in the 5th semester. I got to know about ReDI from a friend of mine, and I applied this a couple of times, and luckily I was given an admission, and I was very happy about it. In ReDI school, I'm studying computer science. In computer science, we were taught sections of computers, parts of computers, and some few other things. And I really like the course because I like my lecturers. They really taught us well. I would brief all our, all we were taught in just 5 steps. And let me start from general introduction into computer science. From there, I was taught that we have different types of computers. We based on, we can say computers are divided based on types, the size, or probably the functions. I got to know that even our laptop, we have our laptop, which is another type of computer. Our calculator is a computer. Our phone is also a computer. And the server that we have, that we use in the offices, they are also a type of computer. Then we move on to computer interfaces. Computer interfaces, we have there are two types of computer interfaces, which is the GUI and the CLI. We have the GUI, which is a graphical user interface, and the CLI, which is the command line interface. The GUI is the normal one that we're used to, the one we use our mouse to. Once you click on, you want to log into your computer, you click on it. Those are the graphical interface. Maybe you want to log into your software, you want to make use of your software, you double click, you click, all this clicking, all these ones are graphical user interface. All these ones you can also do it with a command line interface. That is, you give your computer certain instructions, then it's performed the same function as what you do with your mouse. So that is what we call the command line interface. Then we'll move to introduction into Python programming. And there we were taught even what is the function of a programming. Programming is just a set of instructions given to a computer to perform a certain task. So we were taught Python programming. Python programming consists of the compiler, the codes, and the outputs. So then we now move into conditionals and Boolean operators. What are conditional operators? Conditional operators are, for example, it's still the same English word, conditionals, conditional statements. For example, have you eaten? It can be a yes or a no statement. And the yes or no or true or false statement is the Boolean operator. The Boolean operator is just a true or false statement. Then we're now taught the list and dictionaries. List is just a normal list. That is, you have a list of, maybe you want to go to supermarkets and buy some few things. For example, maybe you want to buy your shoes, your clothes, your glasses. Then those are lists. Then we have dictionaries, which is like the same thing as a dictionary. Can I say, for example, you have a dictionary as your words and your meaning. For example, let me just say, and the same thing has to be the dictionary in Python. Dictionary in Python is like, for example, the keys and the values. The key is the same thing as the word, and the value is the same thing as the meaning. For example, your apple is your word. Then maybe you have like 6 number of apples in your fridge. The 6 number of apples is the value. For example, your rice at home, then you have maybe 60 kg, which is the value of your rice. Now let me talk about my project, my final project. In my final project, I did COVID-19 management system. That is it's just a system that the patient the patient comes in, the receptionist takes down the information of the patient, store it somewhere, then the doctor comes in, takes this information, go for the test, comes out and gives the results. The patient comes back, inputs some few things and gets his or her results. And this is all this is done by using a Python program. Thank you very much. This is where I'm going to stop, and thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much.
Hi, hello, hola. My name is Barbara Sanchez, and I am the representative of Introduction to Computer Science Class 3. When I started at ReDI, I didn't have any knowledge about any of the topics that we cover during the course. I just had a little knowledge about C and C++, and that was it. And it's so amazing how after the end of the course, I am able to use all of the tools that were given to us by the teachers. Our 5 key learnings are bash commands and how to navigate through the file system. Also, Python, we learn everything from lists to functions to object-oriented programming. And what I really liked was functions, and we got to play a lot with them during our creative homeworks. We also learned HTML and CSS. That was my personal favorite. And we learned everything from HTML tags to containers and how to style using CSS many attributes. And last but not least, we learned Git commands and JavaScript syntax. So, why did I choose Introduction to Computer Science? Well, because here I can learn the basics. And with the basics comes also that we took so many different topics of IT, and now I have a better overview understanding. And with this comes that it's really easy for me to choose a path. The relevance for my future career is that now that I have this knowledge, I am able to pursue a more advanced course at ReDI School, and also with the many tools that were given to us, it's easier to find a job in IT. Also, we have a lot of assignments during class, and these assignments are now our portfolio, and this is so important when you're looking for a job to have one. For my ReDI project, I decided to build a web page. I was looking for a job and I was thinking, how can they get to know you through a CV or a professional profile? It's impossible. So I decided I'm going to make a web page where I can put a little more information about myself and also showcase my portfolio. In this web page, I was able to use all of the tools given to me by my teacher, Kata. And this was really helpful because I got to practice everything that I learned in my classes. For example, I used, for my skills page, 2 containers. FlexRow containers, one for my computer skills and one for my soft skills. Inside of them, there's another container for an icon. Also, with CSS properties, I was able to have a little shadow around the corners so they stand out a little bit from the white background. But also, another property was a transition, which I used when you hover them, they move a little bit. Thanks to ReDI School, I was able to find an internship. This was my goal, and it's my dream come true. And I wanted to say a huge thank you to my teachers, Kata, Jalel, Stefan, for their incredible job. And also a big thank you to the mentorship program, to my mentor, Kata, and also to ReDI School. I'm so thankful. Thank you. Thank you, and we are ready.
Namaskaram. I'm Navya from India, representing Frontend Development Intermediate course. During this course, we have learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In a simple way, I can say that HTML provides a structure for the website, and To enhance this, we use technologies like CSS and JavaScript. CSS controls the formatting and layout of a website, and JavaScript controls the how elements in the website behave. On the go, we have also learned how to use Git. Initially, we started pushing our assignments to the Git, and later on, as we start working in our project, we pushed the increments to the Git, made a pull request, waited for the teachers to be approved by it, and then we have merged this request to the master branch. And during our online classes, I have met different programs like quest programs, and even sometimes we were divided into smaller groups and we were given some coding task to complete. And I really enjoyed this online class personally because it was really fun and we all get to know each other well. And at the end of the course, we also learned some basics of React framework. And now let's see how my project is. I have chose Movie Finder app. Why Movie Finder app? Because during this lockdown time, I was more watching movies and web series. So I thought of why not develop a website for searching movies. So in this website, one can search movies according to the movie name, and even there are different categories of movie like top rated movies, trending movies or upcoming movies. And you can even watch movie according to the movie genre. So I have used YouTube player to play the video within the website. So I haven't used many pages in this website. So we can call it as a single page application. Now let's see how our website works.
Website for searching a movie. On the left top corner you can see the website logo MFE Movie Finder app, and on the right you can search for the movie. I have categorized a movie like trending movies, top rated movies and upcoming movies. We can also watch movies according to their genre like comedy, action, thriller, drama. When I click on action, you can see the list I've changed. Movie database website for getting the APIs. They have really good API documentation. So when I search for a movie, if I type fast and press enter, we can see a list of movies that contain fast pops up. So when I click on one, it shows the message as no trailer found. When some movie does not have any trailer, then this message pops up. And when I click on this, yes, they have the movie trailer. So I have used YouTube player for showing the video within this website. So when I click on play button,
the world's gonna die. I can feel it coming. And I think about Ruth.
I would like to sincerely thank ReDI and its team for giving us the opportunity to learn and build our career. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Andariki Namaskaram. This is Harita from India. Today I am going to represent the Backend team from Digital Career Program. I am going to explain the learnings that I have done so far in the semester and how these learnings turned into a project. Before learning any technology, we should be aware of why we have to learn this technology and where it is used and what are the features. As part of backend development, I have learned about Python. Why Python? Python is the most popular programming language if you see the current technology trends because of its feature. Python is an open source so that everyone can adopt this language and start using it. It is a simple programming language. It requires few lines of code compared to other programming language. It has a huge support with the external libraries and it has a huge community support. And it supports artificial intelligence, data science, data analysis, and so many. Because of these features, Python is used in many applications like software development, web development, gaming, networking, etc. And we are using in our day-to-day life so many applications which are using Python already, like Google, Facebook, Yahoo, etc. And in this course, we have begun our learnings writing a simple program in Python saying hello world to an extent where we can build a project in Python. We have started learning so many concepts in Python, how we can write a data types, how we can write a control structures, and how we can implement object-oriented concepts, and then some more advanced concepts like construction of an API, how we can consume API, and how we can expose an API. Apart from these technical aspects, we have learned so many other important aspects for every web application, like how we have to test, how we have to maintain the code, so many. It will be very nice if you put all your learnings into one place. That's why I have built a project in Python that is eCosmetics API. It is an application programming interface which is built in Python. It consumes a public API as well as it produces the services to the end user. Here I have used Python as a backend technology for building this application. And I have used SQLite for the database, and I have used many libraries of Python like SQL Alchemy, which is used for communicating with the backend and giving the response back to the Python code. Backend development is one of the important aspects of the application which plays the role behind the scenes. And coming to the functionalities of this project, there are so many functionalities which are exposed as a services to the end user. For every application or everything that you build, there should be a mechanism for authorizing the user. Here I have provided the authorization using tokens. For accessing these services in the API, we have to get a valid token. With that only the user is allowed to access my API services. So sign up and log in are the two services which allows the user for registering themselves as an authorized person for this API. And coming to the endpoints, for every API service, there should be an endpoint to access. So these are the various endpoints of eCosmetics API, which is used for performing various operations on eCosmetics, nothing but the cosmetic products. User can sign up, log in, they can perform add, update, delete, and so on. All these operations are performing on the cosmetic products stored in the DB. And in every application, there is a most important part is data. We have to persist the data that we are dealing with. This is because we can use it for further purposes. In future, we can see what and all we have done so far and what is the data, how it is manipulating. So this is the database design of eCosmetics. Here all the cosmetic data is stored across multiple tables like product, brand, category, etc. And these tables are related with each other using keys. Now we will see the execution of this API services using the Postman. For accessing the services, first the user need to sign up by providing their email and the password. Once the user signed up successfully, they have to log in to get an access token. Once they provided their user details, the system will authorize whether the user is available in the system or not. If not, they will give an information like the user is not signed up. And if the user already exists in the database, it gives an access token which gives the permission for accessing the other API services. So with this access token, now the user can perform operations on the other services. If the user didn't provide the access token, they will get an information like you are not authorized or missing authorization header and so on. And the user must provide the token with authorization and perform the request. then they will get the proper information. And you can search the products by various parameters like brand, category, type, price and rating. If you didn't provide any search parameters, you will get all the product informations. And here we can perform operations like adding a new product, updating a product and deleting a product. I would like to thank the entire ReDI team for providing this wonderful platform where we can connect with the technology and we can connect with the people. Thank you for your attention. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Fasil from Ethiopia. Salam. Over the past 3 months, I have been learning data science at ReDI School. Today, I'm going to present to you my project entitled Sentiment Analysis of TripAdvisor Reviews. But first of all, I would like to thank my teachers and ReDI for the opportunity to present my work. So basically today, I'm going to talk about a branch of natural language processing, which identifies and extracts opinion from a given text. For this study, I will use data from TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is an online travel company. It's a place where people go to criticize or praise hotels and other services. The main problem here is some people give negative reviews, but in the end they give high ratings, and vice versa. Some people write comments, but they left the review section, the rating section blank. So it is difficult to trust the numerical ratings because it doesn't necessarily reflect people's opinion. So managers do not have to read all the comments in order to make sense out of these comments. But a machine can do that for them. So the main objective of this project is to classify reviews into positive, neutral, and negative, and to predict user ratings based on sentiments. Now let's go to the data methodology aspect. First, in order to make the data ready for analysis, I clean the data, and then for text classification, I make use of the rule-based sentiment analysis method known as VEDR, and for prediction, I use an algorithm known as random forest classifier. Now let's go to see the main findings of the project. As you can see from the word cloud, the most frequent words are hotel, room, and resort. And as I said earlier, I used a model to classify users' comments into different sentiments, and I found out that more than 90% of the review are positive and only 7% are negative. And last but not least, I found out that the model that I have trained can predict ratings all by using reviews, 51% accuracy. With this, I end my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Ciao, auf Wiedersehen.
Wow. Once again, wonderful, innovative, and impressive project from all our students.
Definitely impressive, I would say. Yeah.
And upskilling and learning new technologies is very important for the career, and definitely these projects are going to help our students. And once again, thanks our students and all the best.
Thank you. So, okay, so the next step is about partnerships. I can definitely say that partnerships is a crucial role for ReDI School, for sure. And this is going to be introduced somehow from Birgit.
Yeah.
Okay, so Birgit is our Münchener Kindle, and she is definitely the most connected person here at ReDI. and I'm really, really excited to present her. So Birgit, over to you.
Servus, my name is Birgit, I'm from Munich, and I'm working for the partners and for career support. We are now 3 years in Munich, and this makes us really proud, as we are real Munich child now. This is the Munich child. And on this way, on our journey, one of our first partners, or our first partner, was the city of Munich, the Referat für Arbeit und Wirtschaft in their program, the MBQ. Without them, we wouldn't be where we are now. So they were such a great supporter. They are even friends for us now, and we are really glad to have them and hope we can go on many years. And we have some new partners this year coming up. And they were so brave to start this year with us, the ReDI Hub. This is Generali, this is Cisco, this is Steelcase, and this is Computer Center. We are currently working together to build a real cool new space and hope to see you there soon. This is the second Corona semester we are doing here in ReDI Munich, and you can imagine that there were some challenges. We were so glad to have our partners on our side who helped us. For example, Salesforce with a donation, Vodafone with surf sticks, Inditech with screens, Straight Solution with headphones for our Digital Woman program that they can join the online classes, Microsoft and Amazon with a donation. And finally, there are partners that help us to create curriculums, workshops, tech talks, and so we were very happy to have a LinkedIn workshop this semester, Microsoft with a lot of curriculums and certificates, Apple with a career service program for our Digital Woman program, the Deutsche Telekom with alumni and former student who is now working there, who gave a tech talk, Capgemini with a company visit, Lernfuturisten with a pitch training, Backend with so many volunteers supporting our classes, Handelsblatt with a tech talk, Google with a lot of trainings for our students, and Salesforce with a pitch training. And finally, the ReDI Job Fair and the job market integration is such a big topic for us. We are really glad to have a lot of partners with us. We just had our HR summit with 26 companies on booths and jobs, 5 panelists and 1 moderator joining us and helping us. He's from 1E9, I need to say it in German because it's a German platform. 1E9, check it out. It's a cool tech platform. You maybe can learn something. We, on that job fair, Straight Solution and Supply On donated us some money to work on it. Chemistry helped us with matchmaking the companies with our students, and Microsoft to do it on Microsoft Teams on the platform. We are also working on that topic, job market integration and how we can get better there, how we can accelerate it with a lot of companies here in Munich. Stay tuned, there will come a lot of cool projects out, I'm pretty sure. And thank you to the companies for joining, discussing all this with us and spending their time and power into it. Finally, a big, huge thank you to Microsoft supporting our career support here in Munich that is sponsored by Microsoft and wouldn't exist without them. And finally, I learned that at the end of a pitch, you should always tell something surprising. And where we had been very surprised was that the global CEO, Satya Nadella, tweeted some weeks ago about 2 of our Munich students who are now working in the tech field. And this made us really proud that they are now so famous out in the global world. So thank you, partners, for all what you have done for us. You are great. We hope to have you on our journey with us. And we also hope that we can drink a beer together soon in the beer garden, face to face again. Not the Corona beer, the real Munich beer. And finally, I have a program. So if one company, for example, drinks in 1 year 1,000 cups of coffee, then one of our women can learn for 2 semesters digital skills. Thank you and hope to see you soon.
Servus ReDI.
Merhaba ReDI.
Hallo, herzlichen Glückwunsch, dass ihr seit 3 Jahren hier in München wirkt. Das merkt man total. Die Stadt hat sich nochmal positiv verändert. Wir sind total froh, euch nach München gelockt zu haben und wünschen euch weiterhin viel Erfolg.
Das wünschen wir euch auch. İyi ki varsınız.
Ciao.
Tschüss.
Salut, hello, moin moin, this is Christoph from the Human Safety Net of Generali. It's a great pleasure to congratulate ReDI Munich to your 3rd birthday. Wow, you are still so young, but already outstanding. I like the ReDI students with their hunger for knowledge, and I admire the famous ReDI team with your great competencies, your open communication, your human touch, and your sheer unlimited creativity. What are your plans for your 10th birthday? Let's celebrate it together in Venice in the Human Safety Net Hub. See you.
Hey ReDI, happy birthday from Google. It's really great to be with you on this exciting journey of digital education and innovation, and I'm really looking forward to the next couple of years of working together with you. I hope you have a great time and you can celebrate a little bit. Bye and see you soon.
Hello ReDI Munich, happy 3rd anniversary. I'll spare you the singing, but I hope you enjoy your day, I hope you enjoy your demo day, and keep on rocking on. All the best from Berlin, from Microsoft.
Hi ReDI team, hi ReDI students. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I can't believe it's already been 3 years. It's really been my true pleasure to be on this journey together with you for the last years. And I wish you all the best for the years to come. I support your project, your goals, your vision, the whole mission. It's incredible what you already achieved, and I really look forward to continue to follow you in the years to come. So thank you so much guys for all the efforts you're doing. Thank you for the incredible time you invest in education, in digital education and skills. Yeah, just a big warm hug from me, virtually of course, and I look forward to seeing you all again sometime. Thank you, bye!
Habe die Ehre. I am Christian from Straight Solutions. For me, it's always impressive to feel all your passion and energy and see all your amazing journeys. Congratulations to all students, volunteers and the whole ReDI School. Keep up!
Hi ReDI School and students, congratulations on finishing another semester, and also congratulations for 3 years of ReDI School. We from Fujitsu wish you all the best, and we're so happy to be on the journey with you, and we wish you all the best for the next years.
Do you know what really makes me proud as an entrepreneur? It's to work with colleagues who know that life is more than optimizing personal career and private life, who have this sense of community feeling and love to share. That's what we do with ReDI School. My name is Sigi Lautenbacher, and I'm proud to work with my colleagues at Backend and happy to work together with ReDI School.
From all of us at Steelcase to all of you, thank you so much for letting us be a part of your journey. We look forward to the future and seeing all of the amazing projects and journeys that all of you are on. Thank you.
Hello. Good morning from Berlin. This is Karsten Johnson. I'm working for Cisco and coordinating the Networking Academy program there. You may have used one of our online courses. So happy to support ReDI School from the very beginning. And my favorite memory is the opening ceremony with the mayor, some interns from Cisco, some of them in Berlin with a video conferencing to the event, and I'm looking forward for 3 more years with ReDI Schools at least, and wish you good luck with everything what you plan in your life.
Congratulations! What a great anniversary! 3 years of ReDI School has impacted our society so much. Keep up the good work, and I'm really looking forward to following it closely.
Happy birthday ReDI School Munich. Thank you for this wonderful platform which links so many diverse and creative people. I'm really excited to continue our journey together.
Hi guys, this is Sina here from Bayern Munich.
We're so happy to work together with you and your amazing students, and we're looking forward to some new projects next year. So we wish you all a happy new year.
3 years of ReDI School, Munich? Wow! Wow! This is crazy! Congratulations on this amazing ride! I still remember our pilot back at Microsoft, which is already a couple of years ago, and look where you are now. I'm so proud that I had the chance to contribute to ReDI over the years, and I hope that we will code together in the future as well. So all the best and keep on rocking!
Thanks a lot, Birgit. That is excellent to see these many partners involved in the ReDI program, and definitely it's a success of collaboration.
For sure, for sure. So big thank you.
Yes, and now we have the other part of ReDI, our volunteers.
Exactly.
Yes, and for that we have two super girls from ReDI team, Krista and Sugantha.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They are.
Krista is basically from Costa Rica, but she's no new to Munich. She has been here as an international exchange student when she was 17 years old.
So young.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see her, how energetic she will
Exactly.
be. And she's taking care of all our volunteers. And Sugantha, she's from my home country, India. And she never missed to, share about the Indian tradition to her team. And she's taking care of curriculum. And if the teachers have any questions, she's the right person to contact.
Okay, great.
Yes. And let's get into Krista and Sugantha.
Hello everyone, my name is Krista and I am the volunteer coordinator at ReDI Munich.
Hello everyone, I'm Sugantha and I'm working as Tech Education Lead at ReDI Munich.
So together we wanted to say a couple of thank you words for our volunteers and a couple of details about what happened this semester. So this semester we started with the opportunity of being able to meet in person, but then we had to move to online semester because of the COVID situation. Nonetheless, our volunteers put all their effort and passion into building meaningful relationships with our students.
We witnessed that even though it was not easy to give online classes or workshops without the presence of students, our volunteers really showed how much they cared about them by being present and by being engaging in all their classes.
This semester in total, we had 73 teachers, 74 mentors, and 23 tech and career workshop facilitators.
Our volunteers at Digital Career Program are working professionals in IT industry. They dedicate 4 to 6 hours per week to teach their courses for the duration of 3 months. They bring with them education, expertise, and experiences to help equip our students in learning and entering IT industry.
Our volunteers come from all over the world. This semester we even had 3 teachers teaching remotely from Brazil. Something else that I wanted to share about the teachers is that they started working on the curriculum even 1 month before the semester started. So we witnessed all these IT professionals coming together for a bigger purpose, which was building high-end and quality classes for our students.
When our students were falling behind and not understanding any concepts, our teachers would invariably give them one-on-one sessions on weekends to make them catch up with the class content. Our mentors would often jump in as tutors to help our students with class content and get better at learning them.
Our teachers and mentors also did not hesitate to give individual support on how to make a career in IT. They were sharing with their students their personal experiences, their own stories, and also were serving as an inspiration and as a role model. Last but not least, we also had some volunteers that offered 2 career workshops and 4 tech workshops, which resulted in a complete relevant learning experience for our students. Our volunteers in the digital also come from different areas. Some of them, they come from the IT industry, some of them, they come from social areas, they come also from the business areas, or even from science. And we wanted to highlight a couple of elements that show how committed our volunteers were this semester.
Our teachers dedicated Saturdays to teach basic computer skills to our students. We would often see our students sharing their screens, doing exercises together, and exhibiting best etiquettes online. Our teachers and volunteers would go extra mile to help our students in guiding them with their studies by giving them one-on-one sessions as well.
And our mentors also took the time to understand our students' stories and their needs. They even took the time to learn about topics they knew nothing or little about, such as Ausbildung and how to get a junior position here in Germany. So in summary, we want to thank to all of our volunteers. Thank you for your relentless work, and thank you for being part of our ReDI community.
Thanks, Krista and Sugandha. And definitely, once again, thanks to all our volunteers and teachers for your time and dedication. And now, how do you describe ReDI in one word, Ilya?
In one word?
Yes.
Okay, I could say family.
Wow.
Because actually, it is a family. It's a big family. I describe it as a family because if you need help, you have somebody there that can help you. If you need an answer, you have somebody that is going to help you for that. So it's real family. So for that,
yes,
it's going to be a short video.
Yeah, from all our students and volunteers. Enjoy the video, guys.
Привет. My name is Lena, I'm from Russia. I was ready because I would like to share knowledge and support people, and ReDI is for me a challenge.
Assalamualaikum, Sikbehitbe Muhammad Mumin Jallo do Jibinando lagi ni jiada la bedalen. ReDI School Kodungwane Bende Ande.
Namaskaram, my name is Shriji Shahjahan. I am from India. I am with ReDI because it's a great learning platform. ReDI is for me positive encouragement.
Mjay Waliko. My name's Amdi Patrick Dungu from Uganda. I'm with ReD to pursue my career as a programmer, with ReD to make my dream come true. Thank you.
Malikaraya, I'm Najam Memon from Pakistan, and I want to use the digital tools from the platform of ReDI to solve environmental problems. And ReDI for me is digital integration.
Hello, si Minglawa in Myanmar. Hello everyone, my name is May. I came from Myanmar. I'm in ReDI school because I love to learn new things and new experience. ReDI is new challenge for me.
Salam Dusa, my name is Nessar. I am from Afghanistan, one of ReDI's students and volunteers. ReDI has been always motivating me and made me thirsty to learn more about the knowledge of programming. I really want to thank ReDI from the bottom of my heart for all your hard work.
Hola, my name is Luz Santiago. I am from Venezuela. I'm with ReDI because I want to get digital skills to improve my chance at the job market. ReDI means to me empowerment.
Namaste, I'm Shraddha. I'm from India. I'm with ReDI because of its great cause and work. One word for ReDI, full of opportunities. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Vivek from India. I'm with ReDI because I share a connection. ReDI for me is an extended family.
Konnichiwa, I'm Laurie. I'm from the UK but currently living in Japan. I'm with ReDI because I believe everyone should have the opportunity to be digitally literate, and for me, ReDI is inspiring.
My name is Reza. I'm from Iran. I'm with ReDI because ReDI is respectful, friendly, and have good education. ReDI for me like second home. Thank you.
Hello, Vanakkam. I'm Siddhartha Kumar. I'm from India, student at ReDI Data Analytics course. ReDI for me is free education for overall skill development for integrating in the society. Thank you, ReDI.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Ich bin die Hasna Busata, ich komme aus Marokko. ReDI für mich ist die Brücke zur digitalen Kompetenz. Vielen herzlichen Dank für das Engagement.
Marhaba, my name is Firas Bezi and I come from Syria. 2016 I came to Germany. ReDI was the place for me to get the skills and the experience that I need to have a job or even make an Ausbildung. Thank you.
This is Shabnam. I come from Iran, and at ReDI I teach HTML and CSS plus data science. I love ReDI because it feels like a family.
Marhaba, mein Name ist Samira. Ich komme aus Syrien. ReDI ist für mich perfekt.
Marhaba, assalamu alaikum. I am Ubaida, I am from Syria. ReDI School is one of the best places where you can learn coding in the different programming language and improve your skills in the tech field.
Habari ReDI School. Jina langu ninaitwa Salome, ninatoka nchini Tanzania. ReDI School hufundisha eine Öffnung der Tür. Ciao.
Namaskaram. My name is Swati and I come from India. I'm with ReDI because I believe sharing is caring. ReDI for me is only the beginning.
Yeah, that was a beautiful video collage from all our students and volunteers. It was fun to watch, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
So, okay, we have a question on Slido. Is it possible to get the GitHub pages of the students from Moha? Yes, Moha, it is possible. You can definitely check the link on the YouTube description. It will be possible to see it there. You just click it and you will jump to all the other projects of the students.
Yeah,
for sure.
You will be having the link to the ReDI website, and there you will be having all the projects listed, and you get the details and the corresponding GitHub links.
Exactly. Yes. So do not forget that it is possible to see the demo day on YouTube after we have published it. So after it has been uploaded, it will be published, and you can definitely see it. So before we upload it, we will just suggest you to subscribe to the channel, so you will
definitely
you will not lose the video. So
yes.
Okay.
And now we are into the most wanted session of today's event. It's our breakout rooms.
Breakout rooms, I like it.
Wow.
Okay, so we're gonna separate. We're gonna break, as the word says, we're gonna break in different rooms.
Yes.
Our groups, and you can definitely join in one or the interested one. But you can definitely ask the students for their project, for the current project, for what they have worked on. But you can also join one of the channels for if you are a student or a future student, if you like to join ReDI. But also if you are a teacher, you can definitely jump in and ask. So
yes, it is going to be very informative. And again, the links are available in the YouTube description section and also in the comment sections as well. And you find it everywhere. But still, if you have any problem connecting, please post it over here. And now, do you see one interesting thing over here?
Yes,
something new.
It is. Yes, exactly, about the podcast.
Yes. And today we are starting our podcast.
Awesome, I like it.
Yes.
So definitely join the ReDI podcast to be in contact with us.
And soon they can be more interactive through this ReDI podcast. Yes.
Sure. Okay, so jump to the channels. You will find all the respective channels on the YouTube description. So, yep,
Yes.
jump in.
And all our students are waiting over there, and hope you'll be having an informative session with all our students. All the best, and yeah, meet you there in the breakout room.